Water bottles on Amazon. Everyone's selling one. But are you selling it the right way? Well, let's take a look. So I went here and I just typed in water bottle. I didn't get crazy with it. I just typed in water bottle. Now, water bottle space is interesting because they do actually show the color swatches down here. I don't know if that's new or not. Um, maybe, maybe not. But what I like that a lot of people are doing that are up and coming or smaller brands is using this here. They're showing that they have other options. They're showing you that this is the one you're looking at. So I think that there's a lot of things that people could be doing to show this kind of stuff better. For example, thermo flask. It's not really showing me much. There's a lot of dead pixel space around here, right? If I click on it, this is all, I didn't look at this beforehand. I'm looking at real time with you. So they have color options, they have size options, stuff like that. Let's go down and see if they have some cool packaging. I don't like when brands do this very Apple one page scrolling because it looks like this. It looks broken up. It doesn't really look good. Um, just gonna say that. So going back up here, I like how they show that it's washable. They're showing the avatar. I'm assuming it's women, but obviously anyone can drink water or use a water bottle. But I think tripling down on who your specific avatar is and something that's so universal is important. So they have kids, can coolers, koozies, bottles. Yeah, it's all women here. It's cool. So if I go here and I take a look at the alt text, well, they're missing out on some alt text over here, right? They do have it over here, but let's take a look at the A plus. They're just saying Takia, Takia, Takia. So they're leaving some SEO on the table here for sure. We're not here for that. We're not here for the SEO stuff. We're here for the main image. How can we make this better? Well, lots of different ways. So bring this into Canva. I've been liking whiteboards lately because I just want to make something without, sorry, without confined to certain stuff. I don't know. Very weird like that. So you see here, I just dropped the background on something like this. And then if I go back, they don't have a picture of the packaging. I'm assuming they have packaging because it's not going to ship in something just like this. But let's go back and take a look at other packaging and see. So you see packaging like this, packaging like this. This is super basic, super easy. So we can replicate that if these guys don't have it. Thermoflask. That's the brand name. Cool. Um, and it looks like it comes with two different tops. So spout and straw lids. Okay, so let's make that a little bit more clear. So if you go to Canva in the elements, we type in black box. I know it's cut off a little bit here because I'm recording, but that's okay. Um, I want to say tall black box, right? Because I think this is going to look a little bit better with that kind of box over here, something like this, right? So we don't need all this other stuff, so you can just crop that out. We just need this portion of it for what we're trying to do. Drop the background. It takes a little second. Okay, cool. And then now we have a box, right? I don't like how this box is that way. I want it that way. It's very easy to do this in Canva. So you see this doesn't look good if I just put it like that. But if I toss the position, throw it to the background, all right, now we're rock and rolling. Now we have a box. So you can position this, and you want to make sure that the box, if it's your real box, you don't want to have it look taller than what the actual box looks like, but we'll just go with this for argument's sake. We'll make this a little bit taller so that makes a little more sense. So now we have the box over here. Now let's go back and pull up some branding. Again, I don't have the asset specifically. We're just down and dirtying it. So thermoflask. Let's grab this one. Simple screenshot, copy, back over here, drop the background. Again, it doesn't look perfect, but that's okay. So thermoflask, I'm gonna put obviously you're branding somewhere, right? I get like a stickler for this kind of stuff. Now, how many colors and how many sizes? So we have 5 colors and 5 sizes, right? So then you'd want to go to, what do you want to do? Something like this. I'm not going to fully bake it out because that's going to take a lot of time. But ideally what you'd want to do is do something like this. 90. Cool. And you want to put, even though it shows the color swatches underneath, I don't know on this category, this specific one did it. It does. But sometimes people don't look there, and that's okay. So what we want to do is go over here and just put some swatches. So obviously there's 5 and we're showing 4. But you'd want to show the proper ones for what you're doing. And you want to tilt it just a little bit. I don't love that. Something like, actually, we'll put it over here. Tilt it this way. Okay. Then you want to go in here and pick your specific colors. So this one is, what is this, teal? It's good. Teal blue, cobalt blue, purple, and white. Okay, so you can go in here in Canva. Let's say we're doing purple, and we're doing blue, and we're doing white, and we're doing this one, like a darker blue. Okay, we'll make it green just for argument's sake. So now you have that, right? But maybe you don't want that background around it, so maybe you'll make it black, so it looks a little bit more sleek. Then you want to take down the transparency a little bit, not to totally wash it out, but you want it to look a little bit more real. So I don't like it down there. Find out where you want to put it. I don't know where I want to put it right now. Being finicky. A little smaller. Okay. I'm liking that. I'm liking that for now. Then you want to talk about different sizes, right? But before we do that, we want to talk about value prop, right? So I always like to use Montserrat, but use the one that works for your brand. I want to change your brand guidelines. So what's the value prop? So this is a stainless steel water bottle, insulated water bottle. So we could say insulated, that's insulted, insulated bottle. Okay. And Canva has a cool thing where you just hit this and it's all uppercase. Ta-da! We want to throw this 90. I'm sure it's a better way to do that. And then what you want to do is grab this guy, bring it down like that a little bit. Got to make sure everything is looking crispy. And then tone it down. Right. So now we're saying that's an insulated bottle. I don't love this over here. It's bothering me. I'm going to put it right here. That'll give me more room to make insulated bottle a little bit larger. Okay. And then what we want to do is bring out some value props. So this one has, is it a 3-piece set? So 2 lids included. 1, 2, 3, 5-piece set, technically. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you can come up here and say, we'll duplicate this. No, you can't see that because it's white. Bring this around beyond and say 2 includes 2 lids, 2 straws, right? And then you want to left align this because that's how people read. Bring in the line spacing so it doesn't spread out too far. Letter spacing I would leave alone for something like this. Okay. Bring that up here like this. And There you go. No, that sucks. Just kidding. Send it backwards like that. So you can see by doing this, it's going to better position you for a better image, to giving more information, more stuff like that. But let me know what you guys think, because Muppet Babies just died over here and the baby's going crazy. This is a really cool way. Oh, I know I didn't show the sizing, but you could do the same thing with the swatches and bring up the sizing. Maybe I'll leave that for another video. Let me know what you guys think.